everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make fried modak. In a fine rava, add half teaspoon of salt, ghee 2 tablespoons and rub in the ghee on rava or semolina. Make sure you add fine rava into it. You can easily make the fine rava by blending it in a mixer grinder or a food processor. We will get fine rava like this. Add half cup of milk. Knead and make a dough. Rest the dough at least 2 hours or keep it overnight and make modak in the morning. Place a cloth over it. Fried modak is different from steamed modak as it is not just fried but also we use semolina or rava instead of rice flour. Melt half cup of grated jaggery in a vessel. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut into it. Mix well and allow the water to evaporate completely. And we get a dry mixture like this. Add cardamom powder, nutmeg powder and mix well. Switch off the flame. Our filling is ready. Allow the mixture to cool. After 2 hours, our dough is ready. If the dough becomes too tight, sprinkle some milk and knead once. Now make small balls of lemon size. Flatten it with a rolling pin. Take it on your palm. Add the filling, about 1 teaspoon of filling over it. Now let's seal it. To seal, here is the step to follow that will give a beautiful modak shape. Pinch the sides like this. Leave 1 finger space in between and do the same all around. Gently press in the filling. Now bring both the sides together by pinching them so that it stays in place till a modak is formed. Press them on the top to seal the filling. Immediately fry them or else the seal will start to come out like this. Also, while deep frying, make sure the modak is completely immersed in the oil so that all the sides are cooked evenly. Make sure flame is very slow while frying. Otherwise, the outer cover will turn brown but the inside will remain uncooked. Fry it till it turns nice golden brown in color. Drain off the oil and serve. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.